Hello everyone, welcome back my dear students of class 4th in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in computer classes. So today, as you know very well, we are going to start to do our curricular assessment second. Okay, for that you may open your page number 86. So this is your curricular assessment second. So first of all, let's do the exercise of this. Okay, so first one is given MCQs, multiple choice question. So let's start. So clip art is present in dash tab. You know very well all the answers. Okay, just cross check your answers. So format, page layout or insert. The correct answer is insert, C. Then dash option applies border to the entire page. Page border. You take it as a revision of the chapters. Okay. So third one, header is inserted at the top of a document. A. Then C. Fourth one, a table consists of rows, columns or both of these. So the correct answer is both of these. Rows and column. The method of arranging things and objects on a slide is a layout. It is a layout. Understood? So here B, C and D part are question answers. This we will do afterwards. So see first of all on page number 87 and C part, that is fill in the blanks. So first of all, tables consist of grid of rows and column. Very simple question. Then second one, PowerPoint consists of many slides. There are dash basic functions available in Scratch programming. How many? 8. In our last chapter we have studied about it, and programming method in Scratch is called dash programming, drag and drop. Okay? So 3, 1, 4, 2 is your correct answer. Now see matching D part. Page down is for next page. B. Control plus and ends of the presentation. Control plus M is add new slide. E part. Then see fourth one, page up for previous page. 4. Then see control plus home is beginning of the presentation, this last one, and F5 to start slideshow. Very important and very simple as well. Okay, so your numbering is 2, 1, 4, 6, 3, 5. Okay, now nextly let's start to do our question answers, curricular assessment second, page number 86, B part. Give very short answers to the following questions. So first question is, what is MS Word 2007? So here is your answer. MS Word is a word processing application software. Second, what are the steps to apply page border? So the steps to apply page border are, first of all, click the page layout, then click the page border and choose the size, color and width as up to your choice and click the OK button. Only this one. Okay. So these are the steps of second question. Now third one, what do you mean by a column? So the vertical data in a table denotes a column. Okay. So this is vertical and this is horizontal. So this vertical one is known as the column and this horizontal one is known as the rows. Understood? Now see fourth one. What do you know about MS PowerPoint? It is a presentation software, very easy. So MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. Then fifth one, what are table styles? So table style is a facility of MS Word for changing the looks, colors and design of the border of a table. Understood? Now coming towards our C part, give short answers to the following questions. So what is the use of MS Word 2007? So MS Word 2007 is a multitasking application software. Okay, multitasking application software. It can be used for various purposes like managing timetable, typing an essay, letter, etc. Then second one, what are the steps to change case of selected text? So the steps to change the case of selected text are, first one, Select the text, then click theme tab, then click change from the font group and select the required case from the list. So these are the steps of second answer. Then what are the steps to merge cells into a table? So to merge, select the cell you intend to merge and then you intend to merge, then click the layout tab and click the merge cell from the merge group. Okay, you can take the screenshot also. Then see fourth one, what are the 5 different ways to create a new presentation in MS PowerPoint 2007? Very simple it is. I think you have learned also. Blank and recent, install templates, uninstall, install themes, my templates and new from existing. These are 5. Then fifth one, define the term looks and sensing. So looks control the visual for the split, attach speech or thought bubble, change of the background, enlarge or shrink transparency shade. Understood? And next one is sensing. So these are color coded light blue and are used to detect factors of a project. Now see D part. Answer the following question in some detail. So what are the basic features of MS Word 2007? So the basic features are, there are many features of MS Word. Some of them are managing timetable, margins can be set accordingly, typing an essay letter, and text can be cut, copied and pasted as well, and print out of the document can be taken. Understood? So these are some of the features of MS Word 2007. Then second one, what are the steps to insert special symbols? So the following are the steps to insert special symbols are, place the cursor where you want to insert, then click the insert tab, click symbol and select the symbol you required. Understood? What are the steps to insert a table? So click the insert tab, click the table, click insert tab table from the option from it, then enter the number of columns and rows you intend to insert and then finally click OK button. Understood? Then fourth one, difference between rows and columns. Very simple, just now I told you. The horizontal data in a table denotes rows while the vertical data in a row is known as what? Column. Understood? Now see next one, fifth one. Write the steps to create a presentation using install templates. So the steps are, click on install templates, then choose the install templates and click create button. Simply. Now come on next page. That is our A part. What do you mean by clip art? A ready-made picture gallery called clip art that we can insert in our document directly. Understood? Now second one, what do you mean by table? So table is a grid of rows and columns. What do you mean by a slide? A slide refers to a page in a presentation. And fourth one, what is the meaning of Scratch programming? So Scratch is a programming language that makes it easy to create games and animations. Now see B part. Answer the following questions in brief. So define shapes. Very easy. Shapes are the form of outer edges. Then second, what are the elements of table? Only 2 types of elements are there. Tables and table are rows and columns. Okay. Then cells. Understood? Here the spelling you can correct it. It is elements. E-L-E-M-E-N-T-S. Understood? You can see from the question also. Element. E-L-E-M-E-N-T. Elements of a table are rows, columns and cells. Understood? And here you have to put comma also after rows. Understood? Let me tell you once again what are the corrections in this answer. In the spelling of element, then after rows you have to put the comma. That's it. Okay. Then see third, define motion. Motion moves, splits, change angles and changes x and y values. Understood? Now when do we use variables? In Scratch, variables are represented in blocks shaped like elongated circles, uniquely labeled by U. Okay? Understood? So till here you have to do, and your homework is to complete your work and learn it. Understood? I think that you have already learned all these because these are the just revision of our previous chapters. Okay, till then complete your work. Thank you.